So, hello everyone, I'm here to tell you and explain you about my topic. My topic is system of equation with three variables. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Helen Friska Pasca. My student number is 2101070032. Hope you enjoy. Definition. The system of three-variable linear equation, or SPLTV, is a system of equation with three variables to the power of 1. SPLTV is an extension of the two-variable linear equation system, or SPLDV. A solution to a system of three equations in three variables such as x, y, and z is called an order triple. Now, I will tell you guys about describing solution to a system of three equations in three variables. The first, as we know, the formula of the system of three equations in three variables is coefficient A of variable x plus coefficient B of variable y plus coefficient C of variable z equal D. The second, each equation defines a flat plane that can be grabbed on a three-dimension such as x, y, and z. Grab. The third, the solution is when these three planes cross a single point. The fifth, another type of solution has infinite number of points, a three-dimensional straight line. And then, to solve for single point solution, we can use elimination or substitution. And the last, no solution occurs in some systems such as parallel on or triangular planes. An expression that can be written as coefficient A of variable x plus coefficient B of variable y plus coefficient C of variable z, with A, B, and C real numbers, not all zero, is called a linear expression, or with three variables, or more specially, a linear expression with x, y, and z. And then, an equation that can be written as coefficient A of variable x plus coefficient B of variable y plus coefficient C of variable z equal D, with A, B, C, and D real numbers and D as a result too. Not all zero is called a linear equation, or with three variables, or more specifically, a linear equation with x, y, and z. Now, I'll give you and explain you about solve a system of linear equation with three variables. To solve a system of linear equation with three variables, we basically use the same technique we use with the system that had two variables. We start with two pairs of equations. In each pair, we eliminate the same variable. This will then give us a system of equations with only two variables, and then we know how to solve the system. Then, we use the values of the two variables. We just want to go back to the original equation and find the third variables. Now, I will explain you some method of solving system of linear equation in three variables. The first, the linear elimination method of three variable system. There are step by step. I will explain you. Write the equation in standard form, such as if any coefficient are fraction, clear them. And then, eliminate the same variable from two equations, such as decide which variable you will eliminate, work with a pair of equations to eliminate the chosen variable, multiply one or both equations, so that can be coefficient of that variable are opposite, and add the equation resulting from step 2 to eliminate one variable. And the third step is repeat step 2 using two other equations and eliminate the same variable as in step 2. The fourth step is the two new equations form a system of two equations with two variables. Solve the system. The fifth step is use the values of the two variables found in step 4 to solve for the third variable. The sixth step is write the solution as an ordered triple. The seventh step is check that the ordered triple is a solution to all three original. And now I'll give you some example to make you understand more. Let us see and answer together. Solve the system of equation using the elimination method. Let us see together. Write all equations in standard form. To be x minus 3z equal minus 5 as equation 1. 2x minus y plus 2z equal 16 as equation 2. And then 7x minus 3y minus 5z equal 19 as equation 3. In there, we can notice that equation 1 already has the y eliminated. Therefore, use equation 2 and 3 to eliminate variable y. Then, use this result together with equation 1 to solve for x and z. Use this result and substitute into either equation 2 or 3 to find variable y. Now, we can see together the answer. 2x minus y plus 2z equal 16 and 7x minus 3y minus 5z equal 19. Now, to eliminate, we can cross one of this equation with the other number to make it be eliminated. So that we can see together minus 6x plus 3y minus 6z equal minus 48. And the equation 2 is 7x minus 3y minus 5z equal 19. So we can totaling to be x minus 11z equal minus 29 as equation the other. Now we can eliminate it to some equation. X minus 3z equal min 5 and x minus 11z equal minus 29. We can eliminate it with cross one of the equation to be the other equation. We can see together to be min x plus 3z equal 5 and x minus 11z equal min 29. So that we can totally to be min xz equal min 24. Now we can found the value of z is equal 3. In there we found the value of z. Now we can substitute the value of z equal 3 into the equation 1 to be x minus 3z equal min 5 and x minus 3 cross 3 equal min 5 and then x min 9 equal min 5, so that we can find and get the value x equal 4. Now we have get the value of x and z. Now we can substitute x, the value of x and z, into the equation 2. There are 2x minus y minus 2z equal 16, and then 2 across 4 minus y plus 2 across 3 equal 16. And then we get 8 minus y plus 6 equal 16. And then we get min y equal 2. Now we can change the minus to be y equal min 2. The solution is, now we have get the value of x, y, and z. That is a solution. The solution is x equal 4 and y equal min 2 and z equal 3. Now I'll tell you and explain you about the other solving system of linear equation in 3 variable. That is the linear combination method of 3 variable system. There are step by step. I will explain you guys. The first, use the linear combination method to rewrite the linear system in 3 variables as a linear system in 2 variables, and then solve the linear system for both of its variable. And finally, substitute the values found in step 2 into one of the original equation and solve for the remaining variable. We must remind that note, if you option a false equation such as 0 equal 1 in any of the steps, then the system has no solution. If you assign an identity such as 0 equals 0, then the system has infinitely many solutions. I will give you and explain you with example to make you understand more again. Let us see and answer together. Solve the system. There are 3 equations. Equation 1, 4x plus 2y minus z equal 1. Equation 2, x minus 3y plus 2z equal 14. Equation 3 is minus x plus y plus z equal min 1. Let us answer together. Eliminate a variable in 2 of the original equation. Equation 1, 4x plus 2y minus z equal 1. Add 4 times the third equation to the first to be min 4x plus 4y plus 4z equal min 4. Now we can totally to be 6y plus 3z equal min 3. This is a new equation. And then we can eliminate the other equation. X minus 3y plus 2z equal 14, and minus x plus y plus z equal minus 1. We can totaling 2 to be the other equation, that is min 2y plus 3z equal 13. Add the second and third equation to be a new equation, that is the new equation. And then solve the new system of the linear equation. In there, we have got the new equation. We can eliminate their equation to find some values such as x, y, and z. Let us see together. 6y plus 3z equal mean 3 and 2y minus 3z equal mean 13. Add mean 1 times new equation 2 to new equation 1. And then we can get, or we totally before we can get 8y equal mean 16. And we can get the value of y is mean 2. And z, the value of z is 3. Solve for y, substitute y in new equation 1 or 2 equation. And then substitute the value y and z into the original equation to solve for the x. Now we can see together. Mean x plus y plus z equal mean 1 and mean x plus mean 2 plus 3 equal mean 1. We can totaling so that we can get the value of x is 2. With equation 3, substitute for y and for z to solve the value of x. Now, we have got the value of x, y, and z. So that's the solution. The solution is the order triple such as 2, mean 2, and 3. Conclusion. The three-variable linear equation system, or abbreviated SPLTV, has the meaning as an extended form of the two-variable linear cells system, or SPLDV. The difference is that equation of three linear variables consists of three equations, each of which has the three variables, such as x, y, and z. I think that's all about my presentation about this topic, that is system of three variable linear equation. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.